I don't want to lose time, so there is two types to make weapon shot. It's a raycast and physics correct bullet. I will use the second one because just don't think about it so much. If you read the description of previous video, you must remember what all weapons became full auto. At first, choose all shot animations and turn off loop time. Then go to animator, turn off exit time or back from shot animations and apply that condition. Create script for bullet, type of current bullet, we'll need this in future. Time after the bullet will be deleted from scene. Speed of bullet. I will talk about this a little bit soon. Destroy the current object after some seconds. The value after destroyable object is the time of existence of that object, by the way. I would advise to use a fixed update to move the bullet. Move the bullet forward. If bullet hit the ground, enemy or something except other bullet, spawn some sparkles and destroy the bullet. Take the bullet model, unpack prefab, make the material special for it, add new script and fill the values. Now about sparkle, make particle system, and here we are. Duration, the time how long particles will spawn. Works only without looping. I hope this is understable. Effects on particle direction. I think this understable too. More value, more particles. You can play with shape and find something yours. Hit this button to smoothly change the shape. In render, you can change outlook of particles. For example, make them cube or sphere by changing the render mode to mesh. Change their size random between two constants. Use default line material. Change color here or here. Turn off looping and there we go. We've got some splashes here. Change the name and make copy of object what contains in memory called prefab. Delete object from the scene and fill that cell with prefab. Add capsule collider and rigid body on bullet, turn off gravity and test that we've got. Also, you can use collision in particle system by changing type to world. Oh, I think bounciness 1 is too much. You know what particles need? Fade. So we go to size or lifetime panel and changing this curve. You can play with it and make, for example, something like fireflies effect. Don't forget to increase lifetime. Create prefab of bullet and reset position and rotation. It will be kinda strange what missile launcher shooting bullets, so it's time to make a missile. Take a model, open script, if we use missile and collide with something, spawn an explosion. Create and start coroutine what will make an explosion instead of just deleting the missile. Particle system and rotation, add noise, changing the color to gradient, smoke is done. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, change color, change shape, change speed. Make a similar particle system to add a fire effect to our missile and change simulation space to world. The differences between local and world system you can watch now. Pack them in an empty object and make prefab. Don't forget to add a script and fill all panels. Done. Create another prefab and reset position. Then goes plasma. The behavior of this projectile is the same like a bullet, so I skipped this part. Next bullet is shotgun shell. In most games, shotgun have recoil. I searched a lot of time how to make a recoil, but answer was very simple. Make a new vector with each axis random between maximal and minus maximal angle and apply this vector to our current rotation. Let's take a break and create new tag and layer and disable collision between bullets in project settings. Don't forget to apply layer on every projectile. Fill all values and test it out. That's kinda great job. And the same thing for last bullet like with plasma. Also, comment something what could I miss, congratulate and swear to me. Don't mind if you do.